Then welcome once again to my channel. Now this time we have a question on vectors here. Now given that vector a, right, equal to, we have negative 8 and 2, then vector b being equal to negative 1 and negative 7, we should compute the projection a on vector a, and we have b here. So we have the projection a here, right, and vector b here. This is actually given by the dot of vector a and vector b, right, divided by the magnitude of vector a here, then multiplied by the vector a here. So that will be the formula we are going to use in solving this. So we realize that we need the dot of vector a and vector b. So when we dot vector a and vector b, we are just going to get so we multiply them component wise and we sum them up. So we have negative 8 here multiplies negative 1 here, and we have positive 8 here. Then also we have 2 here multiply negative 7 here, we have negative 14 here, and this is just going to give us 6, negative 6, right? So that will be the dot of vector a and vector b. But then also we also need the magnitude of vector a, right? So the magnitude of vector a is just going to be the square root of just vector a is just 8 and 2, so we have negative 8 here squared plus 2 here squared, and this is just going to give us 64 here plus 2 plus 4, sorry, and this will be equal to that. But remember, so the formula here is just squared, right? The magnitude of vector a squared. So if that is the case, then which means that we square this side, and when we square this side, we just have this squared here. Then the magnitude of a here squared will just be equal to this gets rid of the square root, and we have 68 as the magnitude of vector a squared, right? So if that is the case, then which means that we can then insert this. So the projection here, right, on a and vector b here is just going to be, so if we have this vector here, right, divided by the magnitude of a here, right, squared, then a that this is just going to be, so this we add to be negative 6, we add this to be 68 here, right, being multiplied by so a is not squared, it's just a vector. So a here, vector a here, we have negative 8 and 2, so this is just going to be this multiplies that, and we have positive, right? So 6 multiplied this, we just have 48 here being divided by 68, and then also 6 multiplies that, we have negative 12 here divided by 68. But then also we can reduce these to 12 over 17 here, and also negative 3 over 17 here. So that will be it for the projection of the vector. So thank you very much for joining me in this session. I hope this session was helpful, and I'll see you guys in another section.